Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to publish a page in WordPress Elementor. This is an essential skill for anyone building or managing a website, as it allows you to create custom pages with a visual drag-and-drop editor and make them live for your visitors to see. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your entire website where you manage all your content and settings. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and navigate to Pages, then click on Add Page. This opens up a fresh canvas for your new page creation. Next, you'll see a text field at the top of the screen where you need to enter a title for your new page. For instance, you might type something like example or whatever fits your content best. This title helps you identify the page in your dashboard and often appears as the page heading for visitors. Now comes the important part. Click the blue button labeled Edit with Elementor at the top of the page. This launches the Elementor editor, which is where the real magic happens. Elementor is a powerful visual page builder that lets you design stunning pages without needing to write any code. Once you're in the Elementor editor, you can start designing your page by dragging widgets onto your canvas. For example, you might want to add images to make your page more visually appealing. Simply find the image widget in the left panel and drag it onto your page layout. When adding images, you have two options. You can upload new images directly from your computer, or you can select from files you've already uploaded by accessing the media library. This flexibility makes it easy to work with your existing content or add fresh visuals as needed. As you build out your page, you'll want to preview how it looks to visitors. Click the eye icon at the upper right of the page. This preview function is crucial because it shows you exactly how your page will appear on the live site, allowing you to catch any design issues before publishing. When you're completely satisfied with your design and everything looks perfect, it's time to make your page live. Click the pink Publish button at the upper right of the page. This makes the page immediately accessible on your website for all your visitors to view. And that's it. You've successfully created and published a page using WordPress Elementor, giving you full control over your website's design and content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.